Hi guys, tonight I'm back in Brixton. I've just finished work for the day, so I'm going to go and get something to eat on the way home from Brixton Market. I really fancy a burger. I've always loved a burger. Growing up, I really wasn't that snobby about where they came from either. Vans on the side of the road, vans outside nightclubs very early in the morning, Wimpy, McDonald's, Burger King, the Caf, the kebab shop, the bar in the hotel, or hotel room service. Sometimes you just fancy a good burger and chips and nothing else will do. A couple of years ago, the burger became really trendy here in London. Food snobs were reviewing the latest dirty burger pop-ups in town each week. Now the food bloggers, the reviewers and the hipsters have moved on. Since then they toyed with hot dogs, fried chicken, tacos and pretty much anything served from a food truck or in a jam jar. But nothing has had the same lasting impact since the burger boom. The bandwagon may have left town, but the great thing is it raised the bar in terms of not just availability but quality, and we've been left with a fantastic choice of fantastic quality burger bars in town. Picking the best burger in town is something I'm not really qualified to judge right now. My first hamburger as a child was probably from McDonald's, and I'd be lying if I said I still didn't love those little hamburgers now. But there are plenty of burger connoisseurs compiling lists of best burgers in London, and a contender on most best burger lists is Honest. They usually go to the branch in Soho, but I'm here at their first one in Brixton Market. Honest do one thing, burger and chips, and they do it exceedingly well. They have a simple burger menu using great British produce. Each burger is served on a toasted glazed bun and accompanied with their homemade rosemary chips. The beef burgers are made from dry-aged British beef, courtesy of renowned butcher the Ginger Pig, and they are pretty straightforward as the name Honest suggests, just beef seasoned with salt and pepper, and they taste amazing. I've tried the American Tribute Burger before, and it really does give the Americans a run for their money. Each burger is topped with red onion relish and lettuce, and if you're after a cheeseburger they have a choice of cheeses including mature cheddar, red Leicester or Stilton. They serve beer, wine and spirits, but it's a school night for me, so I've gone for some homemade lemonade. They make a chicken burger using free-range chicken, and they have a decent veggie burger. Tonight I'm going for the Honest Burger, which is beef, red onion relish, smoked bacon, mature cheddar, pickled cucumber and lettuce. If you haven't been to Brixton Market before, I definitely recommend a trip here. The two arcades, Brixton Village and Market Row, are fantastic places. You'll find food from all around the world, and if you fancy a burger, I definitely recommend a trip to Honest Burger, either here in Brixton or one of their other stores. And as I said earlier, you don't need to take just my word for it. Pretty much any time someone's compiling a list of best burgers in town, you'll find Honest somewhere on that list. So here it is, the Honest Beef Burger with red onion relish, smoked bacon, mature cheddar cheese, pickled cucumber and lettuce, and accompanied by their homemade rosemary chips. I'm going to polish this off, now I'm going to walk back through Brixton Market, back to the station. Now I think there's only one thing that could make you fancy burger and chips more than watching me eat this, and that's the amazing smell. The smell of burger, bacon, cheese and the amazing rosemary chips. So if you haven't been to Brixton Market yet, go, and if you want to try one of the best burgers in town, make sure you check out Honest Burger. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up like button, and if you'd like to be one of the first to see my new films, the subscribe button. Toodles.